This video is to read the instructions for Monday, the 18th of May's maths lesson. Read and follow the instructions below carefully for today's lesson. For today's lesson, you might like to use a piece of paper and a pencil to help you use the strategies. Remember to watch the videos as many times as you like. First question, as normally, is your name. Our warm-up question. The sum of the opposite faces of a standard six-sided dice is always 7. So if we look at this dice with a 6 at the top, the number on the other side of the dice will be a 1, because 6 and 1 is 7. If we look at this dice with a 2 at the top, we need to figure out what number goes with 2 to make 7. 2 and 5 make 7. This dice has a 3 at the top. Whatever number on the bottom of that adds up to 7. So 3 plus what equals 7? Hannah rolls 3 dice. The sum of the top faces is 11. 6 and 3, that's 9, 10, 11. What is the sum of the 3 opposite faces of these dice? So remember, it's the ones you can't see that are touching the table. You need to write your answer in here. If you need to, go and get a dice. Check what number it is on the bottom and write them down before you add it up to get your answer. So you'll have 3 numbers you'll need to put together to get your answer. The sum is the result of adding 2 numbers together, or the answer to an addition sentence. So in today's lesson, we're learning all about the sum of 2 numbers, the answer. Let's look at this image. What's a sum? The answer to an addition question. So 37 plus 16 is 53. So the sum of this addition of 37 and 16, the sum of it, the total, is 53. Your first question, what is the sum of 36 plus 16? Type your answer in here. When we add numbers together, we can use a lot of different strategies, like the split strategy, where we break the numbers into tens and ones. Now, you've probably looked at the split strategy before, but I'd like you to watch this video to show you and to refresh your memory on the split strategy. Remember, you can watch these videos as often as you like by clicking in the bottom right-hand corner to go to YouTube to view it. You need to use the split strategy that you've seen on this video to answer this question. Use the split strategy to find the sum of 52 plus 17. And this is a multiple choice question, so you can choose just one, the correct answer. Use that split strategy to find the sum of 125 and 71. This time, you will need to split the 100 separately. Watch that video, it helps you with the answer. Choose the correct answer from these multiple choice numbers. Use the split strategy to find the sum of 50 plus 40 plus 23. Eliminate the ones that just are not correct to find the right answer, but use that split strategy to do it. Use the split strategy to find the sum of 42,000 plus 5,123 plus 246. The answer will be here. Remember, you can use paper and pencil to figure out your answers before you have a go at it. So the correct answer is one of these multiple choice questions. I'm going to get you to watch this video to help you learn about the compensation strategy. Now, you've probably learned a little bit about that before, but I'd like you to watch the video so you can answer the following questions. Use the comprehension strategy to find the sum, the answer, of 27 plus 51. At this time, you don't get a multiple choice. You need to figure it out and type your answer in here. Use the compensation strategy to find the sum of 46 plus 73. And again, you need to figure it out. If you need to on a piece of paper, write your answer in here. Use the compensation strategy to find the sum of 87 plus 62. Make sure your answer has a dollar sign at the front to be correct. We're talking about money here. Use the compensation strategy to find the sum of $87 plus $62. Make sure it has the dollar sign at the front to be correct. The jump strategy is another way to add numbers together. You need to watch this video. Use the jump strategy to solve this problem. The fruit shop sold 35 apples and 24 oranges. How many apples and oranges did they sell? Use your jump strategy to figure that out. I will also give you a blank number line that you can use as part of the lesson. Use the jump strategy to solve this problem. There were 24 Year 5 children at school today and 58 Year 2 children. How many children were there altogether? So use that jump strategy and your empty number line to work out 24 plus 58. John went on holidays and spent $295 on his motel and $123 on food. Use that jump strategy to find out how much John spent. Multi-digit addition is another way that you can try for addition. Watch this video and learn how. Again, you might like to use pencil and paper to answer these questions. Using that multi-digit addition, answer this question: 60 plus 36. Now, my plus sign is on the opposite side to what it is on the video, and often in Australia, we put the plus sign on the right-hand side. But it doesn't matter if the plus side's on the right or the left, it's still a plus sum. Using the multi-digit addition strategy, answer this question: 215 plus 43. Work it out, type your answer in. And the last one, using the multi-digit addition and regrouping, answer this question: 1,740 plus 364. Watch all of the videos as many times as you need today. Work it out on a piece of paper if you need to. And don't forget to press submit at the end, or I will ask you to do it again.